So good day world, MaaziEzeoke here. I just want to say a happy new year to every one of you that have been following me, that have been, we've been in the last years trying to put a better society. My prayer to all of us is that the 2020 that we have entered today is going to be better than 2019. 2019 was a very good year, but we pray, and I pray with you, that 2020 will be a fantastic year. It's going to be much better than 2019. This year, I don't know about you, MaaziEzeoke, I promise to intensify my commitment to ensuring that bad governance is taken out from the society. We must all work together to ensure that we get a better society. We must bequeath to our children a better society than we met it. Once more, this is MaaziEzeoke, live from the ground zero. Let 2020 be a year that would make you better